everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sevim. In this lab, we are going to set up Lambda function, learn how to test a code in AWS console, and discuss different event sources for bringing data into Lambda. Functions like the ones you will write in this lab can be used to help keep the data in sync, fan out writes to users, new feeds, or update indexes in DynamoDB and other databases. So let's get started. We are signed into AWS console and now we are going to AWS Lambda. Now we are going to go to create a function, author from scratch. There are three options. You can use the blueprint and container image as well. So function name is microwave radar, runtime. It will be Node.js. I'm not going to delete it. Architecture is the same. Permission, change default execution row. Use an existing row. And I'm going to select the one that is created and then create a function. Now we are going to scroll down to the code. And here, double click this one. So we are in the index and I'm going to replace this code. Copy this code and replace it with this one. Now I'm going to deploy. Successfully updated the function, microwave reader. Now the function is running. The Internet of Things has wealth of application for AWS Lambda because most devices are low power by design. They are also hard to update and need to be cheap enough to be embedded in fridges, toasters, televisions, robots, cars, and more. All this, of course, without driving the cost of each device too high. You will use microwave as an example. It will send you the cookie time, the button presses used to start the session, and the information about present usage. AWS Lambda can receive these messages over AWS Simple Notification Service, SNS, and you can hook as many functions as you like to the same SNS topic. For large-scale Internet of Things installations, you should consider AWS Internet of Things. Lambda functions are intended to be very simple. This makes testing, debugging, updating, and maintaining Lambda backends super easy. In the example function, you are going to collect information about if the user stopped the microwave before run out and if a preset was used. This sort of information can help you improve the presets by collecting real-world data. The code we use reads an incoming SNS message and parses the JSON body to be analyzed line 4 in here. Checks if the microwave was stopped before the request number of second line 5. If message cooked, check message request. If a present was not used or not, line 6. And user ended custom cook time early, preset early, custom cook time early. Now we can click on test and configure a test event. Event name will be stop without preset. Copy the JSON code and edit here. Now we can save it. This error is corrected before saving. Maybe I should delete this part. Okay. Now we can test. Test event name stop without preset. User used custom cook time early. User ended custom cook time early. This is the response. In this last step, we tested Lambda function we created by providing a test event. The event was configured to test the user stopping a microwave early without using as a preset. The function only returns a string based on the conditions, but you could be containing incident in DynamoDB, sending notifications to users, or any number of other things. Of course, the ticking time on a microwave isn't incredibly interesting data. Cheap sensors make it feasible to collect all sorts of more interesting data and use Lambda to act on it in near real time. So this was all from me for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye!